we're going to be talking about how an enzyme forms a product. An example of an enzyme is a lactose. Substrate is a lactose and products is a glucose. When the substrate becomes together with an enzyme, it forms the product.
Cofactor and coenzymes. They both assist in breaking down substrates. Cofactors are the non-protein's chemical compound, while coenzymes are the non-protein component that forms part of the active site.
Catalyzed catabolic reaction refers to breaking down larger and more complex molecules into smaller molecules that releases energy. Cellular respiration is an example because it takes glucose and reduces it into carbon and water. Catalyzed anabolic reaction refers to the use of energy to build up more complex molecules from raw materials like carbohydrates. Photosynthesis is an example as it takes carbon dioxide and water and converts it into glucose. Competitive inhibitions of enzymes are molecules that bind to active site to prevent certain reactions to occur. Cyanide, an example, prevents cytochrome C oxidase reactions from occurring.
Non-competitive inhibition is when the inhibitor inhibits the enzymatic reaction whether or not the substrate is bound to it. It can bind to a site other than the active site and can be allosteric. Examples are phenethyl and isothiocyanate.
Denaturation of enzymes. An enzyme has an active site which allows to bond to a substrate. But if the enzyme is out of its comfort zone in temperature or pH level because it's too high or too low, then it will affect the shape. This causes the active site to no longer work.
Created using Powtoon.